Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 7:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is Monday, October 18, 2021. It's not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out. Click the thumbs up if you likey. Share the video with your friends, family, colleagues, whoever you want. We're talking about Fetch.AI, artificial intelligence, intraday updates on that Twitter link below. All right. Fetch US dollars, 73 cents. All right, so we're still kind of respecting this line here. We did a dippy-do, but we bouncy-booed back into this, over this red line. So let's be real. That wick don't count. Right now, most of the price action is sitting above. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Until we break it down properly and we hang out there, then we could kind of say, all right, we've properly bounced out of that little triangle. Now, again, the triangle started back in September 22nd. We're almost a month through, and we're still just slightly above this line. The little things have me concerned. Generally, altcoin to Bitcoin pairs will likely be under pressure. I think tomorrow we're going to have Bitcoin dominance going up, regardless of what happens to Bitcoin. We're going to go into that in a second and the reasons why. In the meantime, Fetch to Bitcoin. This is one of those alt to Bitcoin pairs that I talk about. This is kind of like a little bit under pressure right around here. This is a kind of a formidable area of support. I wouldn't say a line. This is an area of support. This was kind of a area of resistance back here. Now we have an area of support. Like I said, if we go below 1150, we got to get a little worried. But we're 1185. You know, we're just going to keep our eye on this right now. I wouldn't. You know, my personal view is if I owned it or not, I would not do anything with it. But anyway, that's just me. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is kind of riding pretty high here. We're kind of back at that green line to 80,000. Yes, 80,000. Now, tomorrow, big Bitcoin ETF is going to come out. It's a futures ETF, not a spot ETF, so it's not exactly the same. So we have to see what kind of impact that has. Positive or negative, it won't really matter. Because one way or the other, I think we're going to have a pretty volatile day in the Bitcoin market once that thing is released. We will know what happens. But Bitcoin will either be, very bearish, in which case it'll be fear, feeding into the Bitcoin dominance chart, creating an uptick in Bitcoin dominance. However, on the flip side, if everything goes well and everyone's cheering on Bitcoin and Bitcoin starts mooning for whatever reason, you're going to see this Bitcoin dominance go up as well. So I think no matter what, tomorrow we'll start to see Bitcoin dominance go up. And by mooning on Bitcoin, I mean like 2 or 3%. Anyway, let's move into, let's go back to Fetch US dollars. So we're going to keep our eye on this. I think right now we have a nice consolidation overall going on in Fetch. We have a real meaningful line of support at 66. This is a holder right now until we flesh out what's going on in the near term. But right now, I'm pretty bullish on Fetch overall. And we'll probably have a video where I owe everybody an explanation / prediction on where I think this thing will end up over the next 3 to 6 months. Talk soon.